Good afternoon. Chapter Inverse Trigonometric Function, Exercise 2.2. Let's start. So, first question is, prove the following. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, x belongs to minus half, comma half. So we have to show 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Start from left hand side. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. 3. Question is 3 sin inverse x. So prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Okay. Now let, because of sin inverse, so take x equal to sin theta. Because sin inverse sin x equal to x, we can use this formula. So let x equal to sin theta. So start from left hand side. So left hand side is 3 sin inverse x. 3 sin inverse x equal to 3 sin inverse x means sin theta. We are taking x equal to sin theta. And this equal to, so sin inverse sin theta means theta equal to 3 theta. Okay. So sin inverse sin theta equal to theta, using the formula, that is sin inverse sin x equal to x. So 3 sin inverse sin theta equal to 3 theta. This is the left hand side. Now right hand side, say right hand side sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. So this is equal to sin inverse x equal to sin theta. We are taking x equal to sin theta. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is equal to sin inverse. So what is the formula? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Hello, anyone? 3 sin theta.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin trigonometric formula, sin 3 theta. This is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. It is sin 3 theta. So this is equal to sin inverse sin 3 theta means 3 theta. Okay. Say left hand side and right hand side are same. Both are 3 theta. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. And it is proved. Okay. It is clear? Hello? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, clear.
Next question, see question number 2. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 3 cos inverse x. Number 2, question number 2, prove that three cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 4x cube minus 3x. Okay. So this question say in terms of cos. So take let x equal to cos theta. Let x equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta. Then left hand side 3 cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x left hand side. So equal to 3 cos inverse x means cos theta. Cos theta. So equal to 3 cos inverse cos theta means theta. Okay. Cos inverse cos theta means theta. Now right hand side. Right hand side cos inverse 4 x cube minus 3x. So cos inverse 4 x means cos theta. So cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula of 3 theta, cos 3 theta. So equal to cos inverse cos 3 theta. So cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And this equal to cos inverse cos theta means theta. So here 3 theta, so equal to 3 theta. Same type question number 1 and 2. So both are 3 theta, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. And it is proved. Okay, so this is question number 2. So then question number 3. So all of you clear question number 2 also? 2 and 3? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So question number 3. See the question? Question number 3 is prove that tan inverse 2 by 11. So tan inverse 2 by 11. Number 3. Prove that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24, tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay. So start from left hand side. 2 by 11, 7 by 24 and 1 by 2 equal to. Okay. So left hand side is tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Okay, so tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. What is the formula? tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Hello? What is the formula? Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus y. X means 2 by 11 and y means 7 by 24. So tan inverse x plus y. Y means 7 by 24. Okay. So x plus y by 1 minus xy. This 1 minus xy. 1 minus x into y. 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Okay. Now simplify this. So LCM equal to tan inverse 11 and 24. So what is the LCM? Hello? What is the LCM? 11 and 24. Multiply 11 and 24. Hello? 11 and 24 is 240 plus 24. 264. 264 is okay.
Yes.
264. Now divided by 11, that means 24. 24 into 2, 48. So 48 plus 24, 11 ja 264. The 11 into 7, that is 77. So 77. This divided by 1 minus 14 by 7 to 14, and same only 11 into 24, 264. 264. Okay. So this is equal to tan inverse 77 plus 48. So 8, 7, 15, 1, 2, that is 125, 48 and 77 by 264 by 264 divided by the same only 264 is the LCM. So 264 minus 14. 264 minus 14 by 264. 264 is the LCM. 264. Okay. So this is equal to tan inverse 125 by 264. This divided by 264 minus 14. So 250. 250 by 264. By 264. Now both sides 264 cancel. Both are same. 264 and 264 cancel. So equal to tan inverse 125 divided by 250. So 250 and 125 into 2, 250. So this by 1 by 2. Here 2. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. And see the right hand side. Right hand side also tan inverse 1 by 2. So this is equal to RHS. Equal to RHS. And this proved the question. Okay, it's clear till now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Write it down.
Yes, sir.
Right. From the beginning you write. Next we will do question number 4. So question number 4 is 2 tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. Okay. Okay, it is written completed.
No, sir. Writing.
Okay. Up to this complete.
Yes, sir.
Then see.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 4. Question number 4 is prove that tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Tan inverse 1 by 7. Tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. 31 by 17. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. Okay, so start from left hand side. So left hand side is solution. Left hand side 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Tan inverse 1 by 7. Now this is equal to, say, what is the formula? Tan inverse 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse equal to 2 tan inverse, okay, 2 tan inverse 1 by x equal to, what is the formula? 2 tan inverse x equal to, hello, 2 tan inverse x equal to 1 formula is there, no? Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square means 2 tan inverse x to tan inverse. We have to convert here 2 tan inverse x to tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse, formula is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So tan inverse x means 1 by 2, 2x, 2 into 1 by 2, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x means 1 by 2 whole square. This is the formula. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. And formula is 2 tan inverse x equal to 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the formula. Use this formula. That means we can write 2 tan inverse to 2 tan inverse to tan inverse. That is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, simplify now this. Now equal to tan inverse 2 and 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, that is 1. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Next, tan inverse, see 1 minus 1 by 4, that is LCM is 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. That means tan inverse 4 by 3. 4 by 3. It is clear? Hello? 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 1 minus 1 by 4 means 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So 1 by 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. 4 will go up. So tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Then again use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This formula is very important. So x means 4 by 3 and y means 1 by 7. 4 by 3 and 1 by 7. So tan inverse x plus y, that is 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. So tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So the formula is since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by divided by 1 minus xy. 1 minus xy. This is the formula. Okay. Now calculate this. 3 and 7, 21 is the LCM. So tan inverse 21 is the LCM. 3 7 is 21, that is 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus 7 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 7, 21. This is equal to tan inverse 28 plus 3, 31 by 21. 21 divided by, again 21 is the LCM. So 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 divided by 21. 21. And this is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17 into 21 by 31 by 21, not 17. This is 21. This is 21. 31 by 21. So this is 21. (31 by 21) into 21 by 21 minus 4, 17. 17. 21 cancel. So this is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. 17. See the right hand side. Say quotient 31 by 17. Tan inverse 31 by 17. So tan inverse 31 by 17. So this is equal to right hand side. This is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. It is proved. Till now, you understood or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, understood.
This one here using two formula. At first, 2 tan inverse half. So, first we have to convert 2 tan inverse half. That is 2 tan inverse to tan inverse. Because then we can use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y for that. So, first use this formula 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Then this you will get this tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. And now use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay? Use this formula and calculate. Calculation is very easy. Simple calculation. LCM multiply. So tan inverse 31 by 17 and this is the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay? This type question important. Prove that question every year coming. 4 marks question. Okay? And this is question number 4. Okay? Now, question number 5, it is write the following functions in the simplest form. So, tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay? So, simplify. Simplest value you have to find. So, how to simplify this? Take x equal to any trigonometric function. Let which trigonometric ratio you can take here? Any idea? Any idea? X equal to what? Sine, cos or tan? Which one? X equal to? We will take here. Hello? Any idea?
No, sir.
So what is the formula? 1 plus sine square theta equal to any formula is there? We know. 1 plus sine square theta. Hello? No formula is there. 1 plus sine square theta. So we cannot take. 1 plus cos square theta. Also 1 plus cos square theta also no formula. We don't know any formula is there. 1 plus cos square theta equal to something. So we cannot take. Now 1 plus tan square theta. Hello? 1 plus tan square theta equal to, you know, class 10 you done this. 1 plus tan square theta equal to which formula? You forgot? It is sec square theta, no? Hello? 1 plus tan square theta
Yes,
equal
sir.
to sec square theta. So we can take x equal to tan theta. Okay? Okay? X equal to tan
Yes,
theta.
sir.
And this question you do in home. This is okay. You try
Yes,
this.
sir.
You can do or not. I'll see.
Okay, sir.
So hints is x equal to tan theta. Then you will find. Okay, easily you can find. Okay, thank you.